With the e-commerce element in Aweber landing pages, you can set up a recurring subscription or even a payment plan. To start, drag the e-commerce element into your landing page. We'll give this button a new name, Donate Monthly. We'll select our product, a food pantry, and a monthly donation of $5. We can change that frequency of that donation or that subscription as well. For a payment plan, we'll do the same thing, and this time we'll change the name of our button. It'll say pay over 3 months. So this will be for our payment plan. We'll select the product, the price, and then select payment plan. We can select the number of months and also the frequency. So go ahead, try this in your account today. If you don't have an Aweber account yet, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.